So we're here today to show you a brand new product. It's called a push mic, and it's two things. It's a listening device and it's a locator built into one. So it's kind of like our flash system, but as I preach and as I teach, 95% of all leaks are located within a 3-foot radius of an actual pool, spa, or fountain, or whatever you're listening to. So with that statistic in mind, we built this called the push mic, where the listening device is built into here. It's built on a spring, so it's able to get through 1.5 inch, 90s, even 1.25 inch as well, no problem. And then it has a locator built right into over here. So we're going to show you how we push that in through a clear pipe, and then we're going to show you how we use this on a typical swimming pool and returns, skimmer lines, side suctions, cleaning lines, spa jets. So when you send this into a line and you're listening, you could push it in easily. It won't crink, it won't crimp itself, and you're able to get it through 90. So you're listening for a leak, static, everything is off. You're pushing the mic into the line. It could go right, it could go left, it could go up, it could go down. You don't know where that's going. But you are listening, and so when you get over the leak and you're hearing it, this is going to be the part that's listening. So then this part right here, when you're done listening with the amp, with the LT1000, you're going to plug in this sender. The sender is going to send the signal right out of this head. You could stick this stick, and this is called the flash stick. What it's going to do is, when you plug it into the amp, you're listening, and it's going to send a signal from here, and you're going to know once you found this, you found the leak because you heard it previously. So take a look and see how we get it done. So we're going to work on a vac line right here. We're going to disconnect it. We're going to send our mic in while we're actually listening. When we get over the point of the leak, we leave the mic where it is. We plug in the sender. The sender's in pulse mode right now. And what we're doing is we're actually listening for that pulse. This is what it actually sounds like. When you get away from the pulse, it will start to dim out. So that's how we got this job done. Again, when using this flash stick with the push mic, you're able to actually put this underwater in a pool and listen through the wall. This could be used for so many different applications. For all of our information, check out leaktronics.com and always check out our YouTube channel.